Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by routing the sound to a mixer track and inserting Fruity Compressor or the compressor mode of Fruity Limiter. This places processing right where you need it. Once done, gain stage the channel so peaks hit about -6 to -3 dB, because clean input keeps the compressor reacting musically. Make sure the attack and release knobs are in default positions to hear what the compressor does. This first pass teaches you sensitivity before dialing thresholds and ratios. Now you fine-tune how aggressively the compressor reacts. Lower the threshold until the gain reduction meter reads between 2 and 6 decibels on louder passages so you get consistent control. Next, pick a ratio, 2:1 for subtle glue, around 4:1 for more obvious leveling, because ratio determines how much louder signals are reduced. Then set attack in the 1 to 30 millisecond range. A fast attack tames peaks, while a slower attack preserves transients and punch, so adjust by ear. Finish by shaping release and makeup gain. Choose a release that breathes with the material, start around 50 to 300 milliseconds and speed up for fast rhythms, because release controls how naturally the track recovers. Add makeup gain to compensate for level loss, and toggle bypass to compare before and after. If you hear pumping, make sure to lengthen the release or reduce the ratio. Alternatively, try a sidechain or multi-band approach. If things still misbehave, reset settings and regain stage the input.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.